Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing some mackerel balls with cassava. And first I'm going to be starting by boiling my cassava. I bought the frozen one at the supermarket, the Goya brand. And then after this I'm going to be starting on my salted mackerel. I'll be boiling out the excess salt, and then we're going to start putting everything together. And this is my cassava when it's done boiling. And for seasoning, I'm using chopped onion, garlic, bell peppers. I also have seasoning peppers, parsley, thyme, and I also have some scallion or chive. This is my mackerel when it's all done and shredded. I'll also be using an egg and some breadcrumbs. So I went ahead and I mashed my cassava. You can also place it in your food processor or your blender. And next I'm going to add all the ingredients together. Now I'm going to go half first of my breadcrumbs, watch the consistency, and then we're going to go ahead with the rest of it. And once I've mixed everything together, I'm going ahead with some salt and black pepper. Now you can go ahead and add any fish seasoning of your choice. I just feel like the salt and pepper does the job and it doesn't take away from the taste of the mackerel balls. Now I didn't boil out all the salt from the salted mackerel. I went ahead and I shredded it as much as I could, and I did go in light with the salt when I added it earlier. You can add more if you would like, it's up to your taste. And we're going in with half the breadcrumbs. Now you're going to fold it in, check the consistency, and if it's still really wet, where it stays on your hand, a lot stays back on your hand, you go back in with some breadcrumbs. Always go in gradually. And next we're going to start with the frying process. Now I did some vegetable oil, and I'm going to take it up by scoops. I'm going to roll it in my hand, and then I'm going to add some additional breadcrumbs as the crust, and we are going to deep fry them. And look at how beautiful these look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned into the next one. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.